Can the average person go from $0 to $1 million in 2 years, not using any money out of their paycheck or anything like that, literally starting with $0? If you want to find out how, follow my journey and keep watching this video. Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Leroy, and welcome to my channel, 40 and Broke, where we're all about getting out of debt, saving, investing, and getting our finances under control so we can live the life we've always dreamed of. Because that's what it's all about, living the life we've always dreamed of. So, I'm at work, and I wanted to take this couple minutes that I have to sit down and talk about my little challenge my new challenge that I got going on, my road to 1 million. What I was doing this morning is I was looking up videos, going from nothing to rich, basically. Because I could take some of the money and say, hey, I've already got $135,000 net worth. We can start from there. But that's not the point of this challenge. I want this challenge to show people that you can do it. You can start from zero. Granted, I'm not technically starting from zero because I am selling things that I have, but everybody has stuff. That's the thing. We've accumulated stuff. You can take that stuff and sell it, and that's where you start at. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to start selling stuff. I'm going to start any of my fetch rewards, my Receipt Hog rewards, what I say about the Marlboro miles, my Fold app rewards that I get for the Bitcoin. I'm going to use that, and I'm going to start investing. I want to sign up for Coinbase because I want to look into it because, sorry if this is shaking, they're loading me at the same time. I'm trying to, kill two birds with one stone here. But what I was saying, Coinbase, I hear you can take surveys and stuff like that and you can get free crypto. So I'm going to try that also. All the found money that I find starting in October, that's going into it. Every little thing. So one of the things, what I wanted to say is I'm starting at zero and I'm going to make it happen. I was watching a video and it had 8 tips, according to Grant Cardone, to get yourself rich. And if you don't know who Grant Cardone is, I don't really watch a lot of his stuff. I know who he is, but one of the things, I guess at 25 years old, this guy was like flat broke, drug addict, basically at the end of his life. He was like on his way to jail, maybe death, but he turned it around at 25, and within I don't know how many years. The guy, I think the video said he had a net worth of $300 million or something, but I wrote them down. These are the 8 tips according to Grant Cardone. Rule number 1, change your mindset. That's key. We have so many limiting beliefs. Look at the phrases we have for money. Money doesn't grow on trees. I'm not made of money. Hard-earned money. It's all set out to make it sound like money is this hard thing. We need to change our mindset. We need to change our limiting beliefs. We need to change it and start thinking money is easy. We need to change our limiting beliefs. We need to learn that, money is easy to come by. Money does grow on trees. Money is not earned hard. Money is earned hard if you work hard for it. Money's easy to come across. You say you can't just go outside and find money. I find money on the ground all the time. Money doesn't grow on trees. Our currency is literally made of paper, which is trees. It's made of fibers. It literally does grow from trees. We need to change our mindset and start thinking, how can I bring money in? And that's what I need to do also. I need to change my limiting beliefs. And this challenge is going to help me do that. I am going to change my limiting beliefs. Number 2, do some math. So you want to sit down and figure out what it's going to take. What do you consider rich? Is it 1 million, 2 million, 5 million, 10 million? What is the number? That's different for everybody. Now, you have to sit down and figure out the math. I looked at it. I said that in 2 years, I'm going to be a millionaire. I want that to be by January 1st, 2024. This is October 21st, 2021 is when I am recording this video. How am I going to do that? I don't know. But I'm giving that's a little over 2 years, 800 days. So what did I do? I sat down and I said, if I have 800 days, how much money do I have to earn in order to be a millionaire? It's $1,250 a day. Now that seems like an insurmountable amount to me at the moment, but I can do it. You know, there was a time when making $250, $200 a day was like, wow, that's awesome. And I make that now, and that doesn't even count any investment increases or anything like that. Just my wages, I can make over $200 a day, So I sat down, I did the math. What do I need to do? What do I need to accomplish? Now let's start getting some plans into motion. Number 3, create 3 income sources. I'm not going to get rich working my job. I can only work so many hours in a day. Obviously, 24 hours in a day, you have to sleep. So you can only work so much. I'm not going to get rich working this job. I'm not going to get rich just sacking away a little bit of money into my 401k. I've got to create alternate streams of income. So what am I doing? 1, I do have my 401k, but I'm investing. You've got stock markets, you've got the stock market, you got bonds, you could start a job, you can start a business. There's so many things that you can do in order to create another stream of income. There are hundreds of videos, thousands of videos on YouTube to watch that can show you side hustles. What am I going to do? Fetch rewards, Receipt Hog, all my other little rewards. I'm going to start leaving those links in the description. Start a YouTube channel. Any of my funds from YouTube that I start getting, that goes towards this. So everything is going to go towards that I do that's a side hustle is going to go towards building these extra streams of income. Now, here's one I hear a lot. And it's one of those things where it's like, okay, really, what am I going to do? So number 4, learn a high income skill. Everybody always use the example of copywriting. So copywriting, or maybe coding. So, but the point is to learn a skill, and a high level skill is considered something that or a high income skill is something that can make you $10,000 or more a month. So I'm going to look at it as, what is my high income skill? What do? I'm getting to where I'm knowing finances. I'm going to start pushing being a financial coach, helping people be a financial coach, making money. Maybe I can start making some courses. Maybe I can do stuff like that. Obviously, I can't make courses on how to make YouTube videos because you see what I'm doing right now, and this is shaky as all get out. But learn a high income skill and then put that skill to use outside of your normal job. Number 5, hang out with the right people. You're the average of the 5 people you hang out the most with. Are you going to hang out with people that are negative and pull you down, that think that money is hard, that money has to be blown, that we're living for the weekend? Or are you going to work with people, or are you going to hang out with people that say, you know what, let's go get it. Let's go make some money. We can do this. You can do this. Let's pull each other up. Let's hold each other accountable. And that's what you need to do. You need to find people like that. I have people like that. I talk to Nora, the Stock Explorer, all the time. She gives me, we talk stocks. We talk things that we need to do, things we want to do. I talk to my brother. He just quit his job today, first day off. He quit his job. He's doing his thing because that's what he wants to do, and he is going to earn his own way. We hold each other accountable. We push each other. Find the right people to hang out with. Don't hang out with a bunch of people that say, why? Why do you want to do that? Why do you want to write a book? Why do you want to start your own business? Why do you want to do that? Hang out with people that say, why not? And it's like, why not write that book? Why not start that business? Let's go. Let's get it. Why not? What are you waiting for? Let's go. Number 6, save money. Wow. Hey. Is that's a genius, right? Save money. That's all you got to do. Save money. But what it means by that is stop spending your money. Who cares about that purse? Who cares about that new t-shirt? Who cares? Look at my hat. Look at this. This is my work hat. I mean, I wear this almost every day. You see what shape it's in? People try giving me new stuff, but it's comfortable. However, the thing is, I don't need to just run out and buy new stuff just because it's the newest thing. Budget for it. Save for it. You can go out and have those fancy meals and those at the nice restaurants, spend all that money. Do that later on. Do that later on when you've achieved your goals. Be frugal. I mean, I'm not saying that you have to live at home and not do anything. Memories are great. Don't get me wrong. I love memories. You know, that's what life is all about. And that's the entire point of this, is being able to create memories. However, don't just blow all your money to where you're just constantly in debt and you're trying to dig yourself out of a hole. Number 7, invest. You have to invest your money. You cannot make money with your money just sitting under your mattress. It's not going to make any money in a savings account. It's not going to do anything like that. Even a high yield account, you're going to lose money to inflation. With a high yield account, at the most, you might make the inflation rate. That's it. But your money's not going to make money. You've got to put it in something that you can invest in, whether it's stocks, bonds, anything that will get you a rate of return that is better than just holding on to it. So invest your money. Number 8, don't go into debt. And I see this as don't go into consumer debt. The way they were saying it on the video, it almost sounded like some Dave Ramsey stuff, like, oh, if you can't buy that business, don't, without paying for it, don't do it. Maybe that's what Grant Cardone says. Maybe he does say that. But like I said, I don't watch any of his stuff. But in my opinion, don't go into consumer debt. Don't get bad debt. A mortgage for a rental property, that's good debt. That's going to make you money. That's cash flow. That's going to bring you more than what mortgage is worth. So you're going to be able to pay that debt. You need to distinguish between good and bad debt. But there it is. The 8 things, according to Grant Cardone, on how to get rich. As a warning, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just some jacknut on YouTube that's starting at $0, holding a phone in front of my face, talking to you as it shakes like crazy because I don't even have it in a stand. It's in my hand, and they're loading me up at my normal job. So, but go do your own due diligence. But those are the 8 things. That's what I'm doing. Like I said, that's what I'm doing. Everything that I find that's extra from now on, that's going into this, and then I'm going to invest it. One of my goals is, and I need to start looking into this, I want to get a rental property on a lake. There's a lot of lakes around me where I live, and I think I can get some of them cheap because of the area, but I want to turn it into an Airbnb. So that way during the summer, it'd be really nice if it's on a lake. People can go out, enjoy the lake. They can go out fishing. They can do X, Y, and Z. And during the winter, we've got snowmobiling up here in Michigan. So, these are some of my goals. And that's some of the stuff that I'm going to write down. And this is some of the stuff I'm going to do. I got 2 years. No more procrastination. I'm a horrible procrastinator. I mean, I wasn't even going to film this video, but that's my interpretation of the 8 tips of Grant Cardone on how to get rich. So this is my road 0 to 1 million. We're going there. I got 2 years, 800 days, and I'm documenting it right here on video. So, all right, everybody, you have a good day.